We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making delicious peanut butter chews, y'all. Yes, the one they used to make back in the day in the school cafeteria. And here are our ingredients. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you a simple peanut butter dessert. It is called peanut butter chews. They are so delicious. My children and my grandchildren enjoys them. There are only 4 ingredients: 1 cup of corn syrup, 1 cup of peanut butter, and 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 5 cups of corn flakes. Y'all, those are our only ingredients, y'all. Let's get to making our peanut butter chews. In our sauce pot, I am adding our sugar, corn syrup, and our peanut butter. And we're going to stir all these ingredients together and let them heat up. This process may take a little bit, a few minutes, because it takes a while for this all to, dissolve and become creamy. Since we have that granulated sugar in there, it has to, dissolve and be mixed well into the rest of the ingredients. So just continue to stir as it heat up. I'm cooking this on a medium high heat. Be careful, don't have it on a high heat because it could burn. So just take your time and just mix these together until they become creamy. Does anybody remember these peanut butter chews? They used to serve these in our school cafeteria and on a Friday. I remember these well. And so, yes, they were so delicious. I couldn't wait until that Friday so we can get our peanut butter chews. Anybody else remember them? Okay, we're going to continue to stir our mixture. And as you can see, you can tell it's becoming creamy now. But continue to stir until it begins to boil. As y'all can see, it has begun to boil, and this is what we're looking for. And so I'm going to turn off our heat and continue to stir. Now we're going to put together our peanut butter chews. Here are our 5 cups of corn flakes, and we're going to pour the hot peanut butter filling mixture on there. Make sure you get it all out of there, y'all. And now we're going to mix this together. You have to go ahead and do it right now. Soon as you pour it over the cornflakes, begin to mix. Mix the peanut butter in well. And make sure each cornflake is covered. Your arms may get a little tired, but keep on mixing. Keep mixing it. This mixture is warm. Y'all, this kitchen smells so good in here. I wish it had smell-o-vision in there so you can smell it, because it smells so good. And you will see for yourself when you make your own. And they are worth it. It's a lot of mixing, but they are worth every bit of the mixing. My kids and my grandkids, I've been making these for so long, and they love them. And the thing about it, for Easter would be a good time to make your grandkids some, children, grandchildren some, and make them in large balls, and put them in some snack bags or treat bags, and serve them to them. If you're having parties, you can make those for parties and share with everyone, and they will thank you for them. Now it's time to make our chews into servings. You can make them into small balls. You can just place them, just use a large spoon and just place them on some ball or wax paper or parchment paper, and just make them the size that you prefer. This is the size that I prefer. See, I'm just rolling them up in my hand, but you can just use a ice cream scoop, a small ice cream scoop, and just lay them on there. Or you just make these the way you prefer. Or you can just spread them all on the pan that like I have, and just mash them down and just cut them, that way. But I prefer mine this way. This is the way they used to serve them at our school cafeteria. And y'all, I couldn't wait till Friday to come. But y'all, they are so delicious. So make these the way you prefer. You can even make these for a fundraiser. If you want to, the kiddos want to raise money for their group or organization, they can. This will be so simple for them to make. Okay, I'm going to continue to make these up, and then I'm going to be back as soon as I get finished with our final result. Okay, y'all, we are back. Our peanut butter chews are all finished. Like I say, it all depends on how many you want to serve. You can make these smaller, but this is the way I wanted mine to be. And so I made like 20 of them. Like I said, it makes close to 2 dozen. And so with one single recipe, so if you double, triple, you can make plenty of them, for a fundraiser. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed being in the kitchen with me as much as I always enjoy sharing my recipes with you all. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all, stay safe, and be blessed. Remember, Jesus loves you, and so do I.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit!